In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Schwab Options. If you're brand new to options or just getting started on Schwab and thinkorswim, this walkthrough will take you from setup to placing your first basic trade with confidence. Let's start with a quick foundation. Options are contracts that give you choices. A call option is a way to bet that a stock might go up. A put option is a way to bet it might go down, and both can be used to help protect stocks you already own. They're powerful tools, but they carry significant risk, so Schwab requires approval before you trade. Before anything else, log into your Schwab account and head to Profile, then Account Settings. Find Options, Trading Approval, Apply, and answer the risk and experience questions honestly. Schwab assigns approval levels, generally from 0 to 4, based on your background. To follow along with buying basic calls and puts, make sure your level permits long options. You can place trades on Schwab.com under Trade, then Options, or you can use thinkorswim, which offers advanced tools and a rich options interface. If you're comfortable with a more robust layout, thinkorswim is an excellent choice. If not, the website is perfectly fine for simple orders. On thinkorswim, go to the Trade tab and enter the stock symbol you're interested in. Scroll to the option chain and choose an expiration date. You'll see calls on the left and puts on the right. Expirations come in weekly and monthly varieties. Weekly options are short-term and move fast, while monthly options usually have more liquidity and can be a bit steadier. Look for reasonable bid-ask spreads and healthy volume to help with smoother fills. Next, choose your specific option. You'll decide on an expiration date and a strike price, which is the price you're effectively making your bet around. For example, if the stock is trading at $100 and you think it'll rise, a $105 call means you expect it to move above that level before expiration. Strikes closer to the current price cost more, but require less movement to work. To place the trade, click the ask price for the option you want to buy. An order ticket opens. Set your quantity, remembering that one contract controls 100 shares. Select a limit order so you control your price, review the details, and click Send. Once it fills, you own the options contract. Finally, understand the outcomes. If you buy a call and the stock rises, your option can gain value. If it falls or stalls, you can lose the premium you paid. If you buy a put and the stock drops, you benefit. If it rises, your loss is limited to that premium. Keep in mind that options lose value with time, so plan your exit and monitor the position as expiration approaches.